Okay, I'd like to show you how to get your drawing files started. And the reason is, when you start a new drawing file, which is over here, you should just be able to click to get a new file. But the problem is the sheet that starts, or that comes up, is sized to be a 11 by 14 sheet of paper. And in order for us to print these hard copies, we want them to be sized to 8.5 by 11 regular sheets of paper. So this video is just going to be a quick tutorial on how to change the sheet settings so that it is sized correctly. So the first thing we're going to do once your window pops open is we want to change the size of the paper. So we go up to our model tree or browser, and where it says sheet 1, we right click, go down to edit sheet, select that, and right here is asking for us to specify the size of the paper, and it's all alphabetized, but down below it actually is preset to 17 inches by 22 inches. I said 11 by 14, but it's actually even bigger than that. So if we go just down here to size A, it gives you 8.5 by 11 size. So all we have to do is select size A, hit OK, and it sized it for us. Now if you notice, this title block down here, the piece of the paper that gives us all the information about the page, has stayed the same. So when we shrunk the paper, the title block actually takes up most of our paper. So the next thing we need to do is change our title block to be sized properly as well. So to do that, we're going to get rid of this title block here. So we go to our browser, again on the left side, right click where it says ANSI large, and delete that. And that will take care of that old title block. Next we come up to drawing resources, and we open up that little plus sign next to it. And we come down to our title blocks, and we open the plus next to that. And here's that ANSI large, which we just removed. So all we have to do is double click ANSI A, because we have size A paper, and notice that it sized it correctly. So at this point you are ready to start adding your base view or projected views or whatever view we need, but that's how you set up a sheet of paper to be set to 8.5 by 11. The next step here is going to be editing. If I zoom in, notice that I don't have a title, it's blank, and drawn is my username. So yours will say PT user or HS user if you're at the high school. So we need to change that. So in order to change your title block to fit your drawing for each part that you make, all you do is go up to the orange Pro icon, come down to iProperties, and you want to go to the Summary tab. The Summary tab, notice you have title as an option, subject, author. So the title is going to be whatever it is you're drawing. So let's say we're drawing a puzzle piece for our puzzle cube, and it happens to be the blue part. So that's what I want to title that. Author for you will be your name. I'll put my name in. Anything else you would want to put in there. And then there we go. Once we do the, all I need from you is title and author. Once we do that, all you do is hit OK, and notice that it updated drawn by, the title, and everything else will be filled in naturally. The sizing is whatever paper it is. The date is automatically driven. So at this point, like I said, you should be able to start adding your views, save it, and move on to your next part.